Okay, the first thing that we want to talk about, well, just recall we left off on Thursday. We started solving some inequalities, and we graphed those on a number line. So today, section 4.2, we're going to talk about some compound inequalities. Now, what's a compound sentence? Two sentences together. So what do you think a compound inequality is? Two inequalities together. So let's think about a compound sentence. There's two ways we can connect. Well, there's more than two ways, but there's two basic ones. You guys know we can say something and something, or we could say something or something. So we're going to look at both those and or ways of connecting inequalities. Well, before we do that, we need to talk a little bit about just some mathematical concepts called intersection of sets and two unions of sets. Okay? So when I talk about the intersection of two things, suppose we have some set A and then some set B. Where are these two sets intersected? Yeah, it's this little area right here, right? Okay. These are called Venn diagrams. I'm sure you've been exposed to them at some point. But this is the intersection of A and B. The notation is not important for intersection, but I'll just introduce it. This is A intersect B. So that's intersect. Okay? Now the union you will need to know, but it's easier. So union of A and B. Okay? Now when we're talking about the union, what does that sound like? Not the workers' union. But when you union something together, what are you doing? Gluing it together, right? You're adding everything up together. So the union of both of these sets is everything in A and it's everything in B. So that's the union of these sets. And we would note that A union B. So the union is just a big U symbol. Okay, the reason why I just need to introduce those things is because when we're dealing with compound inequalities, we're going to use intersection for some of our solution, and we're going to use union for some of our solution. Okay, so I want to show you exactly which ones are which.